Clearborough, North Dallas. 22 TRX full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, window film, XR Plus, full vehicle, windshield, doors, moonroof, all XR Plus, and topped off with some ceramic coating over that for a 5-year finish. And let's take a look at what we got here. So on the TRX, first thing we pay attention to, besides all the decon, the prep, the polish, to make sure we have the best look like we have, is how we're going to put the film away, wrapping all the edges like we do in the finished product. So all this is wrapped, all the PPF is around every edge, everything's nicely done. So these come out with a lot of care. I will tell you, you can remove them safely. You just need to know what you're doing so you have no film showing no line. This guy also comes out not necessary, but he does. And this one also comes out. These are necessary to take out. Coming around this hood, all these edges getting wrapped in. If you're looking for this look where it looks like no film is on the car, then we possibly could be your facility. I just had somebody write me that said that didn't matter to them. They don't mind having a line right here or a gap. Okay, more power to them. But anyway, that's what we do. We make sure that there's no lines, no gaps. Everything's wrapped. Everything's wrapped. These don't have to come out. I can wrap in there plenty fine. I can wrap in these door handles, no problem. As you can see, we got no line there. Door's fully wrapped around. Nice clean edge. Right here's our line right here. And then continuing through the truck, everything's wrapped in. It takes time. We usually have it for a few days. These come out so we can wrap in there. These letters come off and they go back. We retape all that. Everything goes in nicely. And that is about it. Nice and easy wrap. Going under these rails usually is not a problem. They flex just enough to get the film under there. You don't want to remove those. You remove those, you'll be buying new ones. And obviously the fuel port, wrap it in there, no big deal. Wrapping everything inside, nice and easy, and wrapping around the bed. So there it is. Quick TRX, done plenty of them, no big deal. There's the film, 15 on the front, 15 in the back, 17 on the windshield. Moonroofs, I think, have limo. And then we topped it off with some ceramic coating. Overall look is perfection. That's what it's all about, and the protection that it needs. ClearboroughNorthDallas.com if you have any questions. 940-703-8301. Thanks.